Okay, so you're just going to type in your class's name once you've got the correct number of class size, and kind of play with if you like the names to be in all caps or just the first letter in caps. I like the look of it being all in caps. And if you push the tab key, it will automatically take you to the next line. So that's what you'll put on the left column, and make sure you do apostrophe S, and then on the right column type in the adjective for each student. And if you're stuck on adjective ideas, I do have a sheet full of ideas that you can use to brainstorm. After you finish, then you'll click print and type in the page that you'd like to print. Click poster, and you'll see that it divides the poster into 4 sheets, and that will print on 4 different sheets, and then you'll assemble together.